Well, welcome to the National Real Estate Cafe. We're Don Getling and Gino Franti. Today we're going to talk a little bit about some of the underlying matters that are going to make things a little better going forward.
Well, we were talking about the housing market just recently and saying, hey, don't worry, it's not crashing just because the stock market had a correction. Doesn't mean the economy is going to crash and real estate's going to crash. That takes speculation and fraud, basically. So here, and we showed you some basically influential people that kind of should be in the know, and they agree that there's no housing bubble. Here's a really good reason.
Well, look at this, right? So you look at builders, and if I was a builder right now, I'd be stoked. There's no inventory, right?
Right.
So the only thing that'll solve the inventory crisis, that is the one crisis we do have in real estate right now,
Yes.
is builders. And the good news is builders seem to be very confident and continue to build homes.
And you can see here, what this chart is showing you is housing permits and housing starts. And both have consistently been increasing on a regular basis, and some of the highest numbers we've seen in quite some time.
Look at those permits. I mean, the permits are on fire. That's good news.
That is good news. So we wanted to show you this chart just to say, hey, the home builders that do a lot of research, believe me, before they start building, and that means good for the future, because if they're still doing housing permits, that means they're probably not going to build homes for what, 2, 3, 4 years?
Yeah, some of these projects could take at least 4 years, if not 5 years. Some of these big projects are a decade long.
2 decades for the one by our place. It just broke ground. 2 decades. That's right. So anyways, you heard right here, housing market's good. We love you being part of our show. So get these sent right to your phone by texting NREC to the number 58885. Share them with your friends. And you real estate people, share them with your clients. This is good stuff.